yes, I understand. Excuse me, ma'am, you're gonna have to put your phone away when the plane takes off. Okay, come on, girls. We're here, Mommy. Now, come on, girls, let's get on the plane. Enjoy your plane trip to Hawaii. I hope they will. Oh my goodness, do you see that new skirt that just came out? OMG? Yeah, I totally did, girl. Okay, well, yeah, bye. Welcome to my plane. I think we didn't hear that. Hello, pilot. Hello, sir. Are you and your little friend going along in the plane to Hawaii? Yes. We have been traveling the world forever. Anyways, we better get on the plane. Get up, Gerald! Sorry, I meant Jeffrey, not Gerald. But yeah, let's continue the video. Thanks, Mommy, for this delicious ice cream. No problem, honey. I hope you enjoyed in the airplane. Everyone, the plane is about to take off in 15 minutes. So hurry up. Come on, honey. Wait, did they just say our plane was leaving? Everyone, the plane is about to take off in 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, Lucy, pick up the ice cream. We gotta get going. Okay, I'm coming, Mom. No, forget about the ice cream. Let's just get going. No, Mom! Mommy, I want the ice cream. Get on the plane. Mommy, no, I want the ice cream. I said get on the plane. Get on! Oh my gosh! Oh my. Well, I think that's everything. Wait! Okay, you are the last person. You should probably get on the plane. Shoot. Here, I have your bag. Thanks, sir. Everyone, the plane is about to take off, so be aware. Maybe I can take my sleeping mask out. Oh, cool. I wish I brought those. I still don't know why we didn't take the ice cream on the plane with us. We didn't have time. We had plenty of time, and I'm positive that there will be ice cream on the plane. Well, if there was ice cream on the plane, then you weren't going to bring it anyway. You are so mean, and you abuse me a lot. That is it, little miss. You're 3 and you're about to turn 4, and when you turn 4, you are not getting that recess you wanted for your birthday. Oh no. Mommy! Yeah, I hope you're happy. Oh, Mommy, I just wanted the ice cream and I wanted the recess, and you wouldn't give me anything I wanted you to do. I hope this whole plane trip doesn't go like that. Were you talking to me? But same. No, I was talking to... Mimi. I do not like walking at all. I think we have an alien, Mom. Why do you think that? She doesn't like walking. Maybe she's not our mom. She's an imposter! Yes. Those tickets sound great. We better get away from her. Come on! You know what? It will be such a great time to be partying on the plane. Okay, bring it up. Why was it so loud in here? Because we're going to Hawaii, and Hawaii will be loud. Excuse me. Was that you who did that? Me? No, it was that baby behind you. Would anyone like food or drink? Excuse me. Hey! Please, somewhere else until give me the taco, thank you. Okay, I feel better now. you stink. I knew it wasn't that baby again. Maybe it was those other babies. Even I can smell that. You know, I'm surprised she's not following us. Who? Mom! Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I heard that aliens don't like walking. Hello, what's your name? Oh, hello. My name is April. Do you want to be our mom? What? I think she's judging us because we have an alien mom. Yeah. Oh well, let's just keep going. Nice meeting ya. This is such a weird plane trip. Maybe I can try going back to sleep. No way, I have to eat my taco. Come on, I know who someone can be our mom. Really? Who? Come here, follow me.